Coming up next, you will hear from a nurse practitioner who is also a legal nurse consultant who provides services both as an expert witness and a behind-the-scenes consultant. Rebecca Paschall is the person who I interviewed for this next episode. Rebecca, can you tell our listener a little bit about the topics that we covered?
Yes, we discussed how I got into legal nurse consulting and why I find it so rewarding to do alongside my regular practice as a family nurse practitioner. We discussed the common areas of medical negligence against nurse practitioners. We reviewed some tips of how to minimize litigation and how to improve documentation. And we also talked about the supervisory or collaborative role between nurse practitioners and physicians.
We covered a lot. This is a growing area of litigation. When I started my legal nurse consulting business in 1989, there were no lawsuits against nurse practitioners. And then over the course of the 28 years that I ran my full-time business, I had to keep bringing in new types of nurse practitioners to serve as experts. It went from adult primary medicine to neurology to surgery to emergency department to psychiatric to medical surgical to hospitalist, all types of ways that nurse practitioners specialize. The chances are high that as a legal nurse consultant, you will be involved in cases that include nurse practitioners as defendants. So you want to hear what Rebecca Paschall says about this topic. Tune in next on Legal Nurse Podcast to hear Rebecca's thoughts. Thanks so much.